Oh, yo, my cat has given birth, yo. Let me show you. Come with me. It's my other cat. Say hi. Let's go, man. Let's go. My cat has given birth. You feel? Yo, come with me. Come with me. Kuna giza. Wow, 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 wow. Feel light. Lucky. Because were you here? Hi. Hi. You've given birth? Where are your kids? Where are your kids? Here? White. This is white, guys. Yo. Let me see them because. Wow. Wow. Let me see them. Wow. This is how a newborn cat looks like. Kitten. Yeah? Is it just one? Maybe he has slept on the other one, guys. I can't see, but yeah, this is it. This is how a newborn baby cat looks like. You see blood, just given birth, and it's now. This one is. What do you say? Wow, wow, looks gorgeous. Wow. This is the other kid. This kid, this is the mother, and now it has given birth. And it has come to see. I'm holding him because I don't know what he will do. But wow, guys. So guys, I went and come back and this is the other kitten. Like it was given. This is the other kitten. Look. Just newborn. Straight from birth. Look how a kitten looks like. Yo guys, this is amazing, man. This inakunywa bado maziwa. Huyu ndo ametoka sahi. Just went and came back. Pickles, I'm so proud of you, man. Continue giving birth. You're feeling the world. The world with kittens, yeah? And cats. Shout out to all mothers out there, man. Whether you're an animal or just human being giving birth to amazing kids, children, man. This is amazing. Look. Yo. Yeah. Look at this amazing kitten. What color is this? Guess, guys. I don't even know. I have no idea. So I think it's giving birth in turns. Let's wait and see. This is the second one I've seen. I've seen white and now I've seen this one. Yup. So now, and there are finally three. One, if you can see this tail, one, another tail, two, this white one, this one too, and this one right here. Three. Yo, can you see them? I don't even know what to say. I don't even know what to say, man. I don't know what to say. But it's amazing, man. Having this little kitten and cat. Yeah, we should coexist, you feel me? Adios.